अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 102. Topic number 176. स्वयं प्रकाशमानत्वात् नाभास उपयुज्यते इति च Sadananda Yogendra, the author, revealing that Mahavakya Jnanam, that is Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, will take place by that Jnana Vritti. Chitta Vritti, that is Vritti Vyapti Dvara. What type of Vritti? Vritti means thought. All thoughts cannot give Brahma Jnanam. We are getting so many thoughts. So every thought giving a knowledge of that particular object. So in the case of Atma Jnanam, what vritti has to take place? Atma vritti. Atma Jnana vritti. So your thought has to pervade that Atma. Just as our thought pervades the Anatma Vastus, many objects. Similarly, Atma is also Jneya Vastu. In the beginning, you have to take like that. Jneya Vastu, Jneya Vishayaha. So your thought pervades that Atma Chaitanyam Brahma. But here there is a difference between Anatma Jnanam and Atma Jnanam. In Anatma Jnanam means other than Atma. Knowledge about any object other than Atma is called Anatma Jnanam. Knowledge other than Atma, whatever you get, is Anatma Jnanam. Mic Jnanam, clip Jnanam, flower Jnanam, clock Jnanam, desk Jnanam, idella Anatma Jnanam. This Anatma Jnanam, how we are getting? What is the process? Your vritti pervades there. Your vritti pervades the object. Once it pervades the object, what will happen? That object, avarana, will be removed. Vishaya prakashanam. Avarana nivaranam, Vishaya prakashanam. That Vishaya, you know what it is there. Vritti first pervades. That cover is removed by Chitta Vritti Vyapti. This object is this. Then your Chidabhasa pervades, that is called Phala Vyapti. So Chidabhasa travels along with Chitta Vritti Vyapti. Once Chidabhasa pervades that object, that is called Vishaya Prakashanam. Vishaya Prakashanam. Vritti Vyapti Dvara Vishaya Avaranam Nivarakam. That which is covered. I do not know. Suppose I am not seeing this mic. I do not know this mic is there. So my vritti has to go and pervade. Then Chidabhasa has to go and pervade to illumine that object. That is called Vishaya Prakashanam. So phala vyapti is required through Chidabhasa. Vritti vyapti is required through the thought in the mind. Both are required. Whereas in the case of Atma, it is not necessary. That's what he says here. Swaprakasha, Swayam Prakasha Manatvad. Swayam Prakasha, self-evident, self-illuminator. It need not be illumined by anything. Ada Swayam Prakasham. Tanaktane Prakashama irikindrathu Atma anartham. Prakashama tube light madri irukanu nenekka kodadu. Okay. It's not like a tube light, but it is self-evident. Swayam Prakasha Manatvat. Because of this reason, na abhasa upayujyate. We need not use the abhasa. Abhasa means what? Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa need not reveal the Atma. Why? Chidabhasa is not necessary because Atma is a self-illuminator. It is not a jada vastu. Jada padarthamanna, it cannot illumine by itself. So external light is required like that. Chidabhasa is required to illumine the object because it is jadam. Whereas Atma is not jadam, it is self-luminous. Therefore, abhasa na upayujyate. We don't use the abhasa in the case of Atma Jnanam. Up to here we saw in the last class. This is said in the Panchadashi, 6th chapter, sloka number 92. Next topic we will read 177. Jada padartha kara karitam chitta vrittehe visheshaha asti. So chitta vritti, chitta vyapti, vritti vyapti. Chitta vritti means what? Chitta means mind, vritti means thought. That vritti vyapti is called chitta vritti. Visheshaha, there is a distinction, there is a difference between that Atma Jnanam and Anatma Jnanam. In Anatma Jnanam, Jadapadartha Akara Karita. That Jadapadartham which has got a form, Jadapadartha Akara Karita means that form which is in front of us. How it is available? Chitta vrittehe visheshaha asti. Chitta vritti means vritti vyapti. There is a difference in the case of Jada Padartha. In the revelation of the inert object, there is a difference. In the revelation of the sentient Atma, there is a difference. So this is a different thing. That's a Visheshaha Asti. What is that? Whatever I have explained until now, he is just giving in this now. Next topic, we will read. Topic number 178. Tathahim ayam ghataiti ghatakara karita chitta vrittihim ajñātam ghatam vishayikrityam Tadgata ajnana nirasanah purassaram Swagata chidabhasena Jadam ghatamapi Bhasayati Tathahi. What is the Vishesha? Because of what reason? Tathahi. Because the Vishesha is this. The distinction or the difference between Atma Jnanam and Anatma Jnanam is this. Ayam Ghata iti. Where is this Ghata? Okay. Ayam Ghataha. This is the pot. Okay. Ayam Ghata iti. Ghatakara karita chitta vrittihi. This Ghatakara vritti. My eyes pervade the pot. So I get the knowledge of the form of a pot. Form of a pot means this is not clip, this is not flower, this is not watch, this is not desk. So I get the form of a pot. Ghatakara karita. Once I get that Ghatakara, the form in my mind, what will happen? Ajnatam ghatam vishayikritya. Until I keep here, it was Ajnatam. No? We do not know pot is there. Once it is here in front of my eyes, I open the pramanam eyes, immediately Ajnata ghatam vishayikritya. The chittavritti does what? That unknown pot makes it known. Ajnata means unknown. Ghatam vishayikritya. Vishayikritya, making it as an object to identify. Vishayikritya. Who made it Vishayikritam? Thought, chittavritti. Tad gata ajnana nirasana purassaram. So this, my eyes have thought pervaded the pot. Then once the thought pervades the pot, immediately what knowledge comes? I know pot. This is pot. The knowledge take place. So Ghata Jnanam take place. Ghata Jnanam take place. Knowledge of the pot will take place. For that knowledge, what is the process? Tad Gata Ajnana Nirasana Puraswaram. The ignorance of the pot, Nirasanam Pandanam. The ignorance of the pot has to be removed. This is pot. Vritti has gone. That's all. But vritti by itself is jadam. So vritti, manas is jadam. Manasla irukira vritti jadam. Manas vritti cannot know this is pot. To know the pot, there must be a sentient entity. Isn't it? If without sentient Chidabhasa, if I know mind vritti knows the pot, even desk can know the pot. Is it not? Because pot is very close to the desk. Desk also can know, because this is jadam. This mind vritti also jadam. Mind vritti is able to know the pot. Desk can also know. Desk cannot know. Why? Because insentient. That's why desk cannot say, how many times I am putting the pot on the desk. It is on me only pot. Desk can say no. No. Because desk is jadam. To know any object, a sentient entity alone can know the object. From past 10 years I am using this desk. In the desk, edada jnanam varuma? Ettana Upanishads, how many books I kept on this? Papan desk can never know any Upanishad. Carpets are there from 10 years, they are also listening, but they cannot get jnanam. Chairs are also there, they cannot get jnanam. Who get jnanam? A sentient entity only can get jnana. What is that sentient entity? That ahankara, Chidabhasa, pervades. Chidabhasa pervades. So that Chidabhasa is a sentient entity. And that's what he says here. Swagata Chidabhasena. Swagata means in that there is Swagata means in its own. In its own, chitta vyapti ulla anartham. Swagata, chitta vritti vyapti gone. In that vritti vyapti, who is there? Chidabhasa is there. How do you know? If Chidabhasa is not there in the vritti, vritti cannot travel there. Why? Vritti is jadam. Vritti cannot travel. That's Swagata. Swagata means the vritti vyapti pervaded the pot along with the Chidabhasa. Swagata, in that there is a abhasam, Chidabhasam. So that Chidabhasa, Swagata Chidabhasena jadam ghatamapi bhasayati. That jada ghatam, inert part, is illumined by the reflected consciousness which is in the thought, vritti. In the vritti. So, that ignorant, unknown part is revealed, unknown part became known by the reflected consciousness which is in the vritti. That only reveals the part, not chitta vritti vyapti. Vritti vyapti cannot reveal the part. Vritti vyapti says what? There is something here. Part is there. Part is there. But I know the part angra jnanam Chidabhasam moolamada varadu. In every transaction, is my grandson, my son, my daughter, all this because of what? Chidabhasa parvation. Because of Chidabhasa only. Idella namak kandika maatam. Edo serials paathin irupom, idu pannuvom. Chidabhasam illavanu oru vera nadakadu. So in every expression, every experience, who is there? Chidabhasa. Next topic, that is only says in the Panchadashi Shloka, he reminds here. Topic 179. Taduktam buddhitastachidhabhasau dvavapi vyapnuto ghatam tatra jnanam dhiya nashyet abhasena ghataspuret. So, before I am knowing the part, what are all there in it? Before I am not knowing the part, Ghata Ajnanam is there. Ghata Ajnanam is there. Ignorance, Ghata Ajnanam is there in the form of what? Vritti. Ajnanam is also a vritti. I don't know the part. That is a vritti. Ajnana vritti is there. Ghata Ajnana vritti in the form of Ghata Ajnana vritti. Point number 1. Ignorance is in the form of Ajnana vritti or Ajnata vritti. Ajnana vritti you can say. Then ignorance is in the form of Samshaya vritti. Samshayam, doubt is there. Where is the part? Part is there or not? Big pot. Because as long as I do not know the pot, whether it is a clay pot, metal pot, how can I know? So samshayam. As long as ajnanam is there, doubt will be there. So ajnana vritti and ignorance is in the form of samshaya vritti. Then ignorance is in the form of viparyaya vritti. Viparyaya means appearing as differently. Whether is this or that. Viparyayam. Or appearing in a different way. So ajnanam has to be removed, then samshaya will go away, viparyaya also will go away. Whatever said in the 178, that only he is putting in the, he borrowed from the Vidyaranya's Panchadashi. Taduktam. It is said in Panchadashi also. What Panchadashikara says, Vidyaranya, Buddhitastha chidabhasau dvau api vyapnutaha ghatam. You can understand very easily. I am hammering for the past 3-4 classes continuously. Ghatam means pot. Vyapnutaha means pervading. Be-ap dhatu. Vyapnutaha means pervading. Dvau api. Both of them are pervading. Who are they both? Buddhitastha chidabhasau. So the vritti vyapti as well as chidabhasa. Buddhihi tatstha chidabhasa. Buddhihi means here vritti. Vritti also pervaded, and tastha means in that buddhi, vritti, what is there? Chidabhasa. Both of them, dvau api, pervaded. Vyapnataha. Then what happened? Tatra ajnanam dhiyanashyet abhasena ghatam spuret. So this is part, ajnanam gone. Ignorance is gone. Part ignorance is gone. Part ignorance is gone. Then what happens? I know a part. The moment the ignorance is gone, Ghata Ajnanam gone is equal to what? Ghata Jnanam has taken place in Artha. Ghata Ajnanam pona udane enna varum? Ghata Jnanam varum. And the Ghata Ajnanam vritti vyapti mulama gone. Ghata Jnanam chidabhasam. Ghatam spuret. Spuranam manna Jnanam. Evident. Ghataha spuret. Itina. Next topic. 180. Yatha deepa prabha mandalam andhakaragatam ghatapadikam vishayikritya tadgata andhakara nirasana purassaram swaprabhaya tadapi bhasayatiti. This is the conclusion. Same thing, whatever I explained, the phala vyapti is not necessary. That example he is giving, Surya Mandalam example. Yatha, just as Deepa Prabha Mandalam. Mandalam means the disk. Deepa means that light. Any light. That which removes andhakara. Deepa Prabha Mandalam andhakaragatam ghatapadikam vishayikritya. Suppose you enter into this hall. There is no light first. It is very dark. You do not know the carpet, you do not know the cloth, you do not know the pot. Once you come inside the room, you switch on. Once you switch on, immediately what light does? Removes the darkness. Light removes the darkness. Once the light removes the darkness, what will happen? Ghata, pata, adikam, mic, chair, etc., etc. Ghata patadikam, the deepa prabha mandalam, andhakaragatam. Where are they? The pot, cloth, all of them was in andhakara before. They were in the darkness. Which were there in the darkness, they are vishayikritya. This light does what? Vishayikritya. There is some object. The light makes the pot, cloth, etc. of all of them evident. Vishayikritya. Tadgata andhakara nirasana purassaram Swaprabhaya tadapi. By removing that andhakara, once the andhakara gone and making the objects evident, what light does? Where edavadhu pannanuma? Light. Onnu panna venda. What is the job of light? Remove the darkness, illumine the object. Then again light has to illumine by itself. Light has to illumine? Not necessary. Why? How do you know it is illumining? Because they are evident. If it is not illumining, they cannot be evident. Since they are evident because of light, light need not be illumined by some other light. Suppose, if that light has to illumine by some other light, what will happen? You bring another light to illumine that light. And that light has to be illumined by another light. Anavastha dosham, infinite regression will take place. That's why that light need not be illumined by self-luminous. Pot, not self-luminous. Cover, cloth, not self-luminous. That's why you never ask the light, I want to illumine the light. I want to illumine the other objects, you can say. You need not illumine. That's what he says. Tadgata andhakara nirasana purassaram swaprabhaya tadapi bhasayatina. That light also what happens? It is illumining. Enak andhakaram poyedippo. Pot also illumined. Cover also illumined. Cloth also illumined. Ghata, pata, all are illumined. Let me go away now. Light will go away? It won't go. It remain as it is. Bhasayati. Swayam bhasayati. It illumine itself. It remain as illuminator. That's like that. Atma also here. One example I will give you. Chidabhasa and vritti gone towards the Atma, consciousness. So, chitta vritti remove the avaranam from the Atma. This Chidabhasa, what it does, it merge in the Atma. Ipo, in the Atma, idu non-Atma anna jnana vandadukapram, aham brahma asmi jnana vandadukapram, in the Chidabhasa enna vela? Reflected consciousness, there is no there is no job at all. Just like I gave one example last class. When they are pushing all the firewood inside, they throw this firewood also. In the firewood, to push all other fire sticks, and the sticks we want to push inside. After pushing all the sticks inside, and the adupula, this stick enna pannuvel? Will put into that only. Correct? Similarly, Chidabhasa is the final stick. Enga podano? It will drop by itself. Once the medium gone, manas jadam, after giving Atma Jnanam, once Atma Jnanam comes, manas, chitta vritti, all become false. Medium became false. And the medium reflected consciousness also false. Manas mithya. Manasula vara chitta vritti mithya. And the manas medium kulla in the reflected consciousness Satyam sollakudadu. Adi mithyada. Ye ipo satyana pohadu. Because it is mithya, therefore it is disappearing. If it is satyam, it will never go. Another example, to clean the water. Water so dirty. What do? You put padigaram. Alum, thaniyuma? Alum. And the padigaram you will put in the water. What padigaram does? That alum. In Telugu we call it as patika. You put in the water. And that patika does that whole dirt, it will take down. The patika dissolves the whole the mud, and it takes suck the whole mud, and that mud stays there down, and the clear water is there on the top. And what you do? You want to search for patika. I want to take out the patika. Now this particular job is over. Let me remove one. No alum there. No padigaram. Why? Dissolve. Why it has dissolved? Its job is over. That alum job is over. Therefore it does what? Merge with the water. You cannot see anywhere the patika. Even little bit also you don't see. Disappears total. Similarly, this Chidabhasa alum also disappears and kuda. You understand it is false. Last class we shonna snake disappear. Enge ponna pambati buttakulla poitti basket lo kulla poichu sollakudadu. Rope snake, where it has gone? இருந்ததானே போகிறதுக்கு, இல்லவே இல்லையே போகிறதுக்கு, அதனால டிசப்பியர்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. So what to say? Don't say anything. I was thinking there was a snake, but there is no snake at all. Similarly, whole Brahman, the whole world is superimposed on Brahman. Nama, Rupa superimposed on Brahman. And that Brahman only, this reflection, reflected consciousness, all are arising. Reflected consciousness, reflected medium, and the chitta vritti. These reflections, reflected mediums, all are false. The moment you recognize Aham Brahma Asmi, crystal clear knowledge. Once I understand that body mithya, manasu mithya, manasula vara thoughts mithya, thoughts moolama vara kashtangal, problems ellame adu mela mithya. Inne idella ahankara moolama. Because of ahankara, I take this body real, mind thoughts are real, the thoughts up and downs are real, raga, dvesha, kama, krodha are real, and they threaten you, they exploit you, and they create problem, and aludinde irpom. Your cry is also mithya. Tears also mithya. Crying is also mithya. Then what is Satyam, Swamini? Everything mithya na. I am Satyam. I am means original consciousness is Satyam. The original consciousness is Satyam. Truth. Because of my glory, because of my vibhuti, I manifest in this body-mind complex, and all the attributes of the body, mind, I take upon me, and I forget my nature, and I cry. Who is crying? Who is crying? I the Atma only. As though crying. I the Atma only. Really speaking. Thank God that cry is not real cry. And the silver line here, nothing can touch me. Because they belong to lower order of reality. Vyavaharika Satyam. I, the original consciousness, belong to Paramarthika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam cannot touch the Paramarthika Satyam. Just as the dream Pratibhasika Satyam cannot touch the Vyavaharika Vakar. Just as the Pratibhasika Satyam dreamer, this is projection, no? Pratibhasika Satyam dreamer can disturb me, the waker, really speaking. Once you wake up from the dream, the waker is so happy. In dream, you have lost your purse. Lot of money is there in the dream. And the dreamer, you have lost the purse, the pain, and you are crying. Many times we miss the train. Many times we miss the suitcase. Many times we miss our purse. All these problems of the dream, once you wake up, nothing happened to me. How nimmadi. Waker aana vidane, dreamer la irukra problems edavadhu heavy rain, totally body wet, clothes wet. After waking up, you go and clean your body, change your dress. Why? That is a lower order of reality. Dream is a lower order of reality when compared to Vyavaharika Satyam, relative order of reality. Similarly, once you wake up from this Ajnana Vyavaharika Pravancha, once you recognize I am the consciousness Atma, how this body can touch me, how this mind can touch me, how these mental problems, oppression, depression, suppression, all these melted down problems and all will not touch me. Then what is this? Your creation. Just as the waker created the dream, just as just as the waker created the dream, all thoughts came from him, only projection. Where? In the dream. Each and every object, every second, millisecond of the dream, whole thing is created by me. Yes or no? Adi Madrida, whole waking world, Nama, Rupa, Jagan Natakam. Who is Sutradhari? I, the consciousness, is the Sutradhari. Angengyo ikkar Sutradhari ni cholla dengo. I am the Sutradhari. I means what again? Panchakosha vilakshanaha avasthatraya sakshi. Shuddha buddha mukta swarupaha atma aham aham aham. Consciousness which is free from reflected consciousness, mind, body. Asla illave ille. How many dream objects are with you now? Tell me. Adha jnaniki kuda jnanam vandadukku appuram this drama chalta hai. Let it continue. You talk about the dream or not? You talk about the dream. How you talk? Sirichinde Beshwal. You know what dream I got yesterday? Tiger came in my dream. Bhayam illaya na? Undam illa. Romba nice, very nice, and you say. Why? It is a dream tiger. Similarly, once you wake up to Paramarthika Jnanam, Aham Brahma Asmi, whole world is like a paper dream tiger. Mamiyar is like a dream tiger. Mamanar is like a dream tiger. Anybody, anywhere the problem is coming, all are like a dream tigers. Not only Dukkham, even Sukham also. Dream lo Sukham varde. Adi nijama poya. Poyida. In the entertainment? Idi poyida. Adina Gnani never seek any entertainment. He is not crazy for any entertainment. He or she is not interested in any sukha bhoga. Why? Dream sukha bhoga you want to get again? Edukku Swami ella poyidane. Adi mele edavadhu aasha irukka ungalku? Yesterday 1 lakh came. Thirupi na thoongre Swami innor 1 lakh varum. Poyyana 1 lakh irundhu enna illatalum enna. I never crave for that money. It is false. Similarly, Jnani never crave for any sense pleasures. He is not interested because all of them are what? Suddha poyina. Adinala Jnaniki in the kama, டிசைர்ஸ், அது மேல ஆசை, ஒரு பாசம் வரவே வராது. If anything happens also, it is just like a leela happening. அது மேல ஒரு பற்று காணி, ஒரு அட்டாச்மெண்ட் காணி, இது அனுபவிக்கணும்னு ஒரு ஆசையே இருக்காது. அதனால there are no any sort of passions. பேஷனே வராது. என்ன எல்லாம் பொய் தானே, பொய்யா இருந்தா மேல என்ன பேஷன் வரும்? That's why Jnani is able to stay alone to alone, all alone. Alone to alone, all alone. எனக்கு யாருமே இல்லையா, கவலையே இல்லை. துணை யாராவது இருக்க வேண்டாமா, கவலையே இல்லை. வந்தா வரட்டும், போனா போகட்டும். மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு கொந்தளிப்பு கிடையாது. அந்த ராக தேஷ ஒரு எனி டிசைர் ரசவர்ஜம் ரசோப்பியஸ்ய பரம் திருஷ்டுவா நிவர்த்ததே. பரம் திருஷ்டு, அதுதான் நிஷ்டா, அதுதான் ஞான நிஷ்டா. That is called sthita prajnatvam. Read those slokas, beautiful, wonderful slokas. What? Second chapter Bhagavad Gita. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hani rasyopajayate prasanna chetaso hyasa buddhir parivatishtati. Conviction, nishtha varanam. Jnanam, vijnanam, nishtha, brahmanishtha. A long process, worth to practice. Okay, that's what to do sadhana to get this. It's going to talk now. What is sadhana to get this knowledge? The sadhanas are like this. Next chapter we will enter. Now, what we have seen up to now, I'll give 1 or 2 lines. First chapter we saw sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Second chapter we saw samanya adhyaropa, the general superimposition. Ishvara srishti anartham. General superimposition means Ishvara srishti. Then third chapter what we saw, vishesha adhyaropa, specific superimposition. Specific superimposition means superimposition of universe upon me, the Brahman, individual level. This is called Jiva Srishti. First, second chapter nemo superimposition upon Adhisthana Brahman, the universe. Universe superimposition upon Adhisthana Brahman, that is Ishvara Srishti. That superimposition upon that individual is Jiva Srishti. I am the body, I am the mind. That is called Jiva Srishti. Specific. The specific மூலமாதானே ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாமே. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டில ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி இருந்தாலும் இருக்கட்டும், டிராமா, க்ளோரி. Because of this specific superimposition only all problems. The object by itself never disturb. The flower by itself never disturb. Nothing can disturb by itself. When I attach to them by Vishesha Srishti, Jiva Srishti, I want. Aham mama. Vandachi, problem. So, Ishvara Srishti problem கிடையாது. இந்த ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி மூலமா அந்த ஈஸ்வரன் சிருஷ்டிని manipulate பண்றது problem. My son, who is your son? He belongs to Ishvara. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டில இருக்கிற son, my son, afterwards daughter-in-law, commanding the daughter-in-law. Who are you to command my son? Don't command my son. Aham, mama, ahankara, mamakara, and Sunday. Are good? Sunday. On Sunday, Mamiyar is fighting with the daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law fighting with Mamiyar. Mamiyar belongs to Ishvara. Husband, son belongs to Ishvara. Daughter-in-law belongs to Ishvara. This person, these 3 people, because of specific superimposition, fight each other. And the mamakaram the problem. The ahankaram vanda udane mamakaram varum. Yen ahankaram varudhu? Ajnanam. Ajnana Munam enna varudhu? Mamakaram. Mamakaram Munam enna varudhu? Fighting, quarreling, disturbance, stress, tension, blood pressure. எல்லாமே வரும். அஜ்ஞானம் மூலமா எல்லாமே, அதான் சைக்கோசோமேட்டிக் ailments. Psychosomatic ailments is nothing but self-ignorance. Okay. Therefore, if you get knowledge, Vishwa Shanti. Vishwa Shanti பத்தி நீங்க வரி பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஆத்ம சாந்தி பார்த்துக்கோ, உன்னுடைய சாந்தி பார்த்துக்கோ. விஸ்வ சாந்தி தானாவே வந்துடும். இங்க சாந்தி இல்லாமல் எங்கேயோ சாந்திக்காக வேலை பண்றீங்கன்னு அதே மாதிரி. So this is the third chapter. So specific superimposition on the adhishtanam, like I am this body, I am this mind. This is Jiva Srishti. Okay. Now 3 chapters over. Now 4th chapter, Apavada Visa. 4th chapter, Apavada means negation, desuperimposition. Once you desuperimpose, Apavada you negate. Apavada means negation of the superimposition you do. Who remain? Adhishtanam, Brahma, Aham remain. Appadi sollano. Swamini, Adhishtanam Brahma remain. Who is that Adhishtanam Brahma? Amma Swami Brahman. Appadi sollakudadu. Sonnadella uppu kaaki waste poidum. Who remain once you negate everything in Adhishtanam Brahma Aham remain. Where am I? In this body. I am the indweller of this body. In this body, what about other bodies? I am the indweller of all the objects. I am indweller where? Don't answer. I am indweller. Everything is dwelling in me. Appadi sollanum illaya? I am indweller of that person. I am indweller of this person. I am indweller of that cat, rat, mat sollakudadu. Adi tappana answer. Really speaking, all are dwelling. All are in me. Appadi sollanum. In me, the consciousness. These are all plug points. I am evident in that body. I am evident in this body. I am evident wherever the living beings are there. I am evident as consciousness. Wherever insentient objects are there, I am evident as existence. Inert objects, I am evident as Sat, existent principle. In sentient beings, I am available as Chit also. So Sat, Chit, here Sat is only manifesting. Here Sat and Chit is manifesting. So Chit is maximum manifesting. Sat is manifesting. This is Sadeva Chit, Chideva Sat. So entire thing is what? Brahman. எங்கப்பா பிரம்மன் இல்லாத இடம் எங்க இருக்கு? கிடையாது. So with this background we have to enter into the next chapter. இந்த அழகான ஒரு அதிஷ்டான பிரம்மனா இருந்து நான் insecure, I am, future problems, body problems, disease problems, daughter problems, daughter-in-law problems, office problem, வீடு problem, car problem, கண்ணு திறந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அப்பா இருக்கும் அனாத்மாலோ அம்டீன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருந்துதான் ஆகும். Don't try to change. You cannot change. Why? It is its nature. All objects, they are all having defects, including the body-mind complex. It has got its own defects. Never try to manipulate it. Never try to work for it. Use it. Get Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. Thank you. Very well. Body. This is the maturity. This is called intelligence. Don't try to change the mamiyar. Okay. Don't try to change the mamanar. Don't try to change the boss. Don't try to change anybody. Change yourself. Change your vision. Cognitive change. no one can touch you. No one can disturb you. Nobody has a right to take your peace. Why? I am the peace. My nature is peace. Shantam, Anandam. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Savigneyaha. How to know? Do Shravanam Manana Nididhyasanam. Sollar. Next chapter, 5th chapter, page number 104. Evam bhutam swaswarupa chaitanyam sakshatkara paryantam shravana manana nididhyasana samadhyanushtanasya apekshitatvat te api pradarsyante. Evam bhutan. If it is so, what? After doing apavada, you come to know that aham brahmasmi. This is the teaching of the Upanishads. This is the Vedantic teaching. Swaswarupa Chaitanya Sakshatkara Paryantam. This desuperimposition, how long you have to do? Not this, not this, not this. Neti, neti, neti. Do desuperimposition, how long you have to do? Swamini, Vedanta Sara over, na, we can stop our study. Na. No. Swaswarupa Sakshatkara Paryantam. Paryantam means until. Until what? Sakshatkara. Until I get clear understanding. Sakshatkara means not seeing. Clear understanding. Understanding that understanding alone is sufficient. There is nothing is required than understanding. This is called understanding. Understanding the truth. There is nothing is required to understand other than understanding the truth. Understanding is required to understand that nothing than understanding, nothing is required. This is the understanding. Understanding thavara vere onnume thevai ille nu therinjikkiradhukku da understanding nu peru. Okay? Swaswarupa Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam, chit, consciousness. Who's that Chaitanyam? Where is it? Swaswarupam, my own nature. Until I understand my own nature, until that time, what to do? Shravana, listening to scriptures. Manana, reflecting upon the scriptures. Nididhyasana, contemplating upon the teaching, what I have learned. Nididhyasana. Fourth one, Samadhi Anushtanam. This is the second type of Nididhyasana. Here Samadhi means not Ashtanga Yoga Samadhi. Here Samadhi means second type of Nididhyasana. Very interesting that. He is going to explain all those things. Number one is Shravanam, Shravana Sadhanam, Manana Sadhanam, Nididhyasana Sadhanam, Samadhi Anushtanam. Apekshitatvad. All these four are required. Apekshitavana, necessity, requirement. Te api pradarsyante. Those five also I am going to deal here. Shravanam, I am going to talk about Shravanam because to get that Swaswarupa Sakshatkaram, continuous systematic study of scriptures is required. So I am going to say what is Shravanam. I am going to elaborate you what is Mananam. I am going to elaborate you what is Nididhyasanam. I am going to elaborate you what is Samadhi. Why? All these are important for Swaswarupa Sakshatkar. Therefore, it is my job. I have to teach about them. Shravanam Nama Shadvidha Lingaihi Ashesha Vedantanam Advitiya Vastuni Tatparyavadharanam. What is Shravanam? Very nice, interesting. What do you mean by Shravanam? Shravanam is Nama. Nama means to define Shravanam. Shat Vidha Lingai. Shat means 6. Vidha means varieties. Fold. 6-fold. Lingai. Clues. Marks. Indications. Shadvidha Lingaihi Ashesha Vedantanam, the entire Vedantic teaching. Ashesha means entire, total, complete. Vedantanam, all the Upanishads. Advitiya Vastuni, that Vastu which is secondless. Which is Dayananda Swamiji always use the word Vastu. Vastu anna part mic kadiyadu. Vastu anna Atma. Advitiya Vastu. That Vastu which is secondless. Vasati iti Vastu. What is there? Other than existent consciousness principles, nothing is there. That is called Vastu. Adroda in the Vastu ella irke. Namma andha Vastu marandite, in the Vastu la vilunditom. Therefore, Vastuni Tatparya Avadharanam. Tatparya means central teaching. Avadharana means grasping. Grasping the central teaching of Vedanta, entire Upanishad teaching, through the help of, with the help of 6 clues. Lingams. Then comes, what are the 6 lingams? Shravanamanna Shad Vidha Linga Dwara Vicharanam Mimamsa. Ved Upanishad Mimamsa. Then what are those 6 lingams, clues? In the next class I will tell you. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.